Thanks to Mohanlal sir, because sir, please give me your voice. Uh, I want your voice, sir. You see how much love and dedication and then supporting.
Is it a fanboy movie he's asking?
Is he a fan?
Yes.
So my
yes.
question is, what was the biggest fan moment in this movie?
Yeah, always I'm working with Baba. That's biggest moment in my life, and the first shot I shoot, then opening shot, fight master. You know, Ravi Verma is there, and everyone is there. Baba is came. Uh, yeah. First shot, car is fast coming, and then open the door. In running car, I'll put the leg in ground. His fight master is saying, "Sir, it's not. Please, we'll do two. बाबा को नहीं बाबा नहीं करता है क्योंकि मैं अच्छा तरह जानता हूँ सो डूब करता है सो मास्टर यू कम प्लीज राइट ऐसे करके मैं बाबा को बोला बाबा शॉट था सो कार फास्ट में आता सो डोर ओपन द लेग जस्ट लाइक स्क्रैचेस द लेग या टेक प्रेम सर द फर्स्ट शॉट no no you do no words yeah take chalo take it's the first shot in my life and बाबा के साथ काम किया so बहुत happy it's that is crazy Baba yeah I think that's next time you're coming song is too crazy but then it's coming song and then thanks to Mohanlal sir because the first time first teaser launch, title teaser launch. I asked Mohanlal sir, sir, please give me your voice. I want your voice, sir. That time Mohanlal sir shoot in London, UK. It's called. I called. Then he says, I'm in shooting frame. I'll after pack up 6 o'clock and go to studio and record and send you. You see how much love and dedication and then supporting that and I'm really thanks to Mohanlal sir. Thank you so much. Love you Mohanlal sir.
Sir.